you are ordering a custom wig, it's important that you have the measurements for your head so that you'll know what size wig to order. So I have a quick video here and I'm going to show you how to measure your head using a tape measure. And it's relatively easy. All you need is a tape measure, and you'll just need a pen and pencil and maybe a piece of paper to write down the measurements, or maybe your phone or something so that you can save it into your notes. So you're gonna take a total of 6 measurements, 5-6 measurements. And so you can just follow along with me. If you need to, you can stop this video and rewind it so that you can get your measurements right for each area of your head. So the first measurement, important. When you are doing your measurements, you want to use the side of the tape measure that is measured in inches, because everything that you're going to submit for your wig order is going to be done based on inches. Okay, so the first measurement you want to get is your circumference, and so that's going to be the full perimeter of your head. So you take the tape measure and you put it right here in the middle, and you're going to hold it, wrap it all the way around, like behind your ears, around your nape, and you actually can come down just a little onto your forehead, around to this side. And when you get there, you can see that my head is right at 21 inches. So you would write that down for your circumference. Next, you're gonna go from the front of your head to the nape. So again, put your tape measure right in the front at number 1 and run it all the way down to the back where your hairline starts. And you take a look, it says that mine is 13. So that's gonna be from the front to the nape, 13 inches. Then we're gonna go from ear to ear across the forehead. So you start right where your hairline starts in front of your ear and bring it around your forehead to where it stops on this side. And you can see that my measurement is 11 inches. Your next measurement is going to be ear to ear on top of the head. So you're gonna come here above your ear, start there with number 1, and just bring it right across the top of your head to the other end. And that for me is about 12 inches. The next measurement is going to be your temple, from temple to temple around the back. So you're gonna start on the side right at your hairline and then bring it all the way to the other side. And that measurement for me is about a 14. And that's how it looks from the back. You're just coming straight around the occipital bone. That will be your temple to temple measurement. And then the last measurement is the measurement of the nape, and that's just gonna be from one side of the hairline and the back to the other. So you kind of gotta feel this one, but you can go from here. My hairline stops about right there. And my measurement for that is 5.5 inches. So that's pretty much all that you need to know in order to get your measurements for your wig. Definitely, if you have any issues, just rewind this video. And I don't think there's anything else. So I hope that all you ladies have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.